So hello guys, I'm here right now in Bluffers Park. At, I'm supposed to go to. Actually, I took an Uber to get here. So right now, nandito kami sa bungad ng Marina. No, not Marina, ng Bluffers Park. So doon kasi yung Marina banda, but we focus here in Bluffers Park area. So how did I get here? Like if you wanna do, if you want to commute, um, actually, siguro the best thing that you can do is magbabas kayo yung Brimley going south. Pagdating sa may Brimley or Brimley and then corner intersection of Sinclair, baba na kayo and then mag-Uber na lang kayo kasi wala akong bus na papunta, no bus gonna get here all the way, but according to the information that I've searched, you can only the bus will go here all the way here in the weekend or in the like holidays. So pero like this, like right now today is Wednesday, and there's no bus, really gonna go exactly in the closer to the Bluffers Park. So yeah, so what I did is I took the bus Brimley going south and then get off at Sinclair, and then from there I took an Uber. So mura lang Uber kasi it will just gonna pay you like around $5 to $6 or $7 pag hindi siya busy. So not bad. Yeah, so guys, I'm here now in Bluffers Park and we will explore it. I choose this day, the Wednesday, because wala masyadong tao, so we can enjoy the place. Okay, so right now we are walking here. The weather is actually kind of humid, but it changed. It became you could feel the cold breeze now because probably we are closer to the lake. So yeah. So there are many times that I already been here to Bluffers Park. I know I wanna see the change, the changes that they did. I know there's a lot of development going on here to really promote the tourism, and also it's a FIFA time, so look at the wild geese, guys. So I'm just going to get closer. I don't wanna get closer. I don't wanna be ayoko yung habulin nila ako kasi matatapang ito mga ito eh. We can just enjoy them from afar, their beauty, the wilderness beauty. Tama ba? Tama ba yung sinabi ko? So yeah. So this is a famous Bluffers Park na pinag-uusapan sa TikTok or sa Facebook and even in YouTube. Sinasabi nila one of the perfect or great spot or destinations if you visit Toronto. So yeah, right now we're really close to the lake. So yeah, I don't know. I know Bluffers Park is known for the bluffers. Parang may bangin-bangin doon like from afar there. But right now it's covered by the trees. But long time ago, you could see parang yung cliff na wala siyang mga puno. So but like it's really dangerous for erosion. Pero somehow there's a lot of trees now. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna go farther. During summer, there's so many people here doing their picnics. Ano pa ba? yung mga party, small group parties. Yeah. But for now, there's talaga may changes na kasi before it's not really that developed na kung saan maraming mga wild na mga kumbaga sabog-sabog yung mga plants, and then there's so many parang mound, kaya ngayon parang bigla naging plain siya, talagang really a park now. So guys, we'll try to go all the way there, yung parang pinaka peninsula nung nitong park na ito. So but ito po yung ito yung Lake Ontario. Yeah. Yan ang Lake Ontario, ang laki, no? For now, Lake Ontario medyo, actually naliliguan siya kaso lang napakalamig palagi ng tubig, ang tubig ng Lake Ontario. So it's not ideal to swim. So yun. So that's why people here, mga locals, they tend to go north to have like what do you call it, like a cottage ambience kind of retreat, where there's a lot of because Ontario is known for so many lakes. That's what we are rich with lakes and waters. So they go to those small lakes kasi medyo warm yung water, but here it's really cold. But right now it's really enjoyable enjoyable yung breeze. Talagang mahangin siya ngayon, ang sarap-sarap. Yeah, ang sarap-sarap niya. And we're just walking slowly kasi just to enjoy the nature. This is a natural breeze, right? Nandito tayo sa area na actually hindi ko alam ang tawag dito pero basahin natin kasi usually nung dati, like 10 years ago, nadaan din ako dito, napunta ako noon kasi nga famous nga siya, pero ang laki na ng pagbabago, talagang they develop it into a really very nice park, as you can see, no? Now punta tayo doon sa ito yung tinatawag nilang Dunker Flow Balancing System for water treatment kasi ito So tingnan natin kasi even this is a water treatment area, din siya tawag dito, may mga isda din ata dito so sometimes you will see people doing some fishing. So ang purpose ito is ito yun why do we need to treat storm water? So dito ata yung mga galing pag winter time, yung mga natutunaw na mga tubig. So papasok tayo ngayon dito. It's another nagiging sanctuary din ng mga ibon. So parang din siya kasi may around it may mga marsh like this one here, over here, right? So probably I'm gonna raise this GoPro so that you can see the entirety. So nakasara siya. Um, yeah, I think so. I, if there is, hindi sila ano. If so ito yung okay. There's an access here. Okay, probably there is an access. There's no access here. Okay, we're gonna go back. No. So guys, there's stairs here going down to the beach. So where you can walk around. But I don't know if you can, if you are allowed to take a bath or I'm sorry, to swim or you know have a dip sa water na ito. But right now, it's very relaxing. You know, just by listening to the sound of the waves. So guys, it's really napakaganda. I don't know how to parang it's hard for me to describe it, but if you are here, you can just be amazed and in awe of the nature. Though there's some kind of a development there for probably for it's like a breaker. No. I think they put some kind of like rocks there to prevent more erosion kasi nga it's a bluff first, right? So it start to erode. So sadly, marami na hong nahulog dyan because there are stubborn people, locals na just for the sake of Instagram, they kinda, because there's a park on top of it, na you overlooking this, and some people they kind of push the limit where they go far, where they really close to the cliff, and then nahuhulog sila, but not all of them. Hindi, kumbaga hindi naman maraming nahulog dyan, but a few people lang. Yeah, it's mesmerizing to look at. Ayan. So guys, I remember I told you before that I'm going to the peninsula over there, but somehow I think this is one of the best locations that of Scarborough Bluffs or Bluffers Park. So I decided na dito na lang. So I mean, what can we see there? It's almost similar here, you know, but parang ano ba? Parang wala naman na blank na lang doon ba pag pumunta ka. So but so I think this is it. I think I'm gonna stop here. This is the Scarborough Bluffs. So it says here the layers of sand and clay exposed in these bluffs display a remarkable geological record of the last stages of the Great Ice Age. Oh, yun daw. Yeah. So unique in North America, they have attracted worldwide scientific interest. The first 46 meters, 150 feet of the sediments contain fossil plants and animals that were deposited in large river delta during the first advance of the Wisconsinan Glacier some 70,000 years ago. So they are covered by 61 meters of 200 feet of boulder clay and sand in alternating layers left by 4 subsequent advance and retreats of the ice. So the final withdrawal of the glacier occurred some 12,000 years ago. So ito yun. So yung mga layers daw niyan ng bluffs, yan yung parang yung mga ice age. So it's interesting, guys. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you follow me, and please subscribe or like my video. Thank you. Bye.